So how do I use this? There. Okay. Okay, I think I remember. So let's add, where are the cards? There we go. Tooltip seed. Okay, so this needs a tooltip seed. Tooltip seed. A single tooltip seed to work. Okay, TM Pro text. Which text links and spreads? Your images. Okay, so let's add a tooltip seed. Tooltip seed. There, this one. Okay, this one should go top. On tooltip creation event, on tooltip destruction. Destroy tooltip. On tooltip destruction event. So I suppose this belongs to this. Destroy tooltip, how was it? Destroy tooltip. This one. There, so now lower section. Let's add this TM Pro parent tooltip seed. World space. Should I say overlay? This tooltip break transform. No, wait. So with this I can add links and images there. And here I can add a new one too. Branch maker. Overlay. parent tooltip seed. There. Here I can have a resources. And should I add for each resource? There, yeah, much better. Let's change this. Image. My image. This one. Tooltip reference. No idea. Let's add a tooltip seed. Is tooltip? No. Let's add top. Let's add this one, destroy tooltip. There we go. Let's go here. Okay, now you should go to UI and let's add tooltips. Let's copy. Wait a second. Whoop. Okay, let's just copy this one. Tooltips. Okay, let's just okay. Tooltip basic. Let's see. So this is not pinnable, so I'm gonna remove it. Pinnable. It's not draggable nor pinnable, so I'm gonna remove the pin. There we go. String block. Button creator. No buttons demo. There's sprite size index. So now we have a tooltips tree manager. UI. Let's add a UI canvas, tooltips canvas, right? Overlay. Graphic recaster, blocking game objects. There, so there. SO instance. Let's just copy this. Let's put it there. And there. Let's just use this one here. There. Tooltips destroyed event. Tooltip demo. Why do I need both? Sprite asset. Oh, this is the sprite asset. The index link ABCDEF. Okay. Very simple. Okay, so what should I do first? Maybe I should add these things, this, and this. Let's add in here. Boss var tooltip. The clock tooltip. Trash can tooltip. maximum player card tooltip, then the portrait tooltip, hero equipment tooltip, hero equipment max cards tooltip. There, so that's what I can think of right now. So first let's do the boss bar tooltip. That one, boss bar. Let's do a tooltip seed. This is not a tooltip. Let's add a image. Tooltip reference. My image. Tooltip seed. There, so I need to create I could create one that says many things, right? Yes. Maybe I can auto tooltips, this one. Auto tooltip big, short, or fixed. Short, medium, there. Let's copy all of this. Or not, let's just create lots of tooltips. Yeah, why not? That's easier. Let's do a duplicate. Or should I say, let's create a variation. Come on, let's go. Prefab variant, right? Prefab variant. Create prefab. Where is it? There. Tooltip boss bar. Okay. Why do I? No, brother. I don't need a pin. I don't need reposition to fit. Tooltip seed fading. Yeah, why not? Let's keep it. Okay. Tooltip basic. Let's see. Okay, so now I can just edit this. Rich text helper. There we go. There I can have many of these guys. Aspect spacing, other. So what it should say. Let's do it. It should say boss bar, which is a weird name. Indicates how many building points points you need in order to fill the bar so that the final boss appears. Defeat the final boss to win the game. Like this. So this is the first pass, let's call it. Be right back. Be right back. Okay, I had an emergency. I had to fix a pipe that broke. No. There. Fill this vase to make the final boss appear. To make appear. Var by using building cards. There, that makes more sense. Okay. Let's put this here. Save. Oh, so this is a addressable. Let's put this on. Let's create a new one called tooltips. A new create new group. What? Packet assets 2. Let's do tooltips. And let's put this inside UI. Okay, I cannot. And let's make this tooltips. There we go. So this guy here is tutorials, no, tooltips there. Let's try that. Yo, Splinter, how you doing? I'm creating the tooltips for this thing, for this game I mean. Parent tooltips cannot be null. Okay. Image, game object name, card resource image, card resource image. All right, okay. Let's remove it for the time being. Where is it? Card UI combat card. Okay, let's just disable it for the moment. There we go. Let's start again. We have musics. Let's see. Again. Cancel. Let's go here. Awake. Okay, let's remove it then. Let's try again. Okay. Has not been assigned. Tooltip rect transform. Okay. So player cards. Card template. Did I forget? Oh. Tooltip rect transform. There we go. Let's try again. Okay, now what? The variable tooltip on tooltip branch maker has not been assigned. Wait, where? Of the cards, lower section description. Okay, lower section description. There, I forgot this. Then we have the type text. Okay, description. Okay, let's try once again. There we go, finally. So tooltip. Okay, there should be a tooltip here, but it doesn't show. So let's see why. Filler, raycast, I should have top. Okay, so I should put it there, decoration. Okay, let's adjust that. Post manager. Let's put it on the top instead of in the background. There we go. We have the top. We have the tooltip seed. Screen space overlay. It's not a tooltip. Okay, so let's not raycast. Not raycast. You're not a raycast either. You are a raycast. No, you're not a raycast. Okay, let's try once again. Let's see. Okay, so let's see the tooltip. No, all right. But why do I see it there? Okay. Oh, screen space camera should be overlay. There we go. That's a bit weird. Why does it show like that? No idea. Screen space overlay. Tooltips tree canvas, scalar. Maybe that's the problem. Scalar. Let's try that. Why does it look like that? Okay, that's correct. Building cards. Looks very nice. Looks very nice. So let's see. I want you to disappear faster. In 2 seconds. Screen space overlay. Let's do a camera. Or not. Overlay. Let's make it a 1. Let's try again. So let's see. There. It's free aspect. Let's see this. So weird, isn't it? There. So depending on the size of the window, it changes. Fill this var by using building cards. Okay. Let's overwrite. Let's override. Can I? Yes, to the left. And let's play with this canvas scaler. Constant pixel size. Scale with screen size. Wait. Match width or height. Like this. Scale with screen size. Whoa. Okay, that's too big. Let's do 200. Let's do 400. Let's do 32. Okay, let's do 100. So this should be a lot bigger. This one, 1920 1080. Let's see what happens. All right, that's much better. So what happens when I do this? Great. Oops. Let's show it very small. Very good. Let's just copy. Let's put this there. And let's paste values. Let's save the project. Okay, so you are finished. Boss bar tooltip done. Then I need the day clock tooltip. This guy. Day manager. Where can I place it? Daytime manager. Let's do the number, text, daytime indicator. There, so this is a tooltip. Is tooltip? No, it's not a tooltip. Let's do bottom left, and you're an image. So let's get you here. This is the image, and this is the parent, and let's create a new prefab variant called tooltip daytime indicator. Wait a second. This caricatures. Oh, you are addressable, and I'm gonna put you with the tooltips. Great. So there we have this. Great. Let's make you a little more dark, a little more like this. Oh. Oh. There, I think that looks better. And now let's add what it says. What do you say? Yeah. So there we have this is the indicates the day and the passage of time. Really, time indicator. A day is divided in 4 parts: morning, midday, dawn, and night. All right. Save, please. Thank you. So there should appear time indicator. Let's try it. Okay, indicates the day and the passage of time. A day is divided in 4 parts: morning, midday, and dawn and night. Okay, day 1. Morning, night. Okay. Yeah, works fine. Time indicator. Works fine. Daytime manager. That's a bit big. No, it's okay actually. There. Okay. So these two guys are going to not be raycast targets. Let's try. Their time indicator, bus far, indicates the day and the passage of time. A day is divided in 4 parts: morning, midday, dawn, and night. Day 1. Nice. Okay, so now let's... Hey, do you know what? I forgot to do something very important. Every time I complete something, I do this. There we go. That way I feel satisfied and accomplished. Next is trash can tooltip. So let's copy. Let's do a trash can. Let's edit what it says. Let's delete this. Drag and drop cards to delete them. Here to delete them. So here we have a trash can. Perfect. So now we go into the trash can droppable area. So this is a collider. Look at this. This is a 3D collider. So let's see, trash can icon. I'm not going to use the icon, or blah, blah, blah. Let's do tooltip seed. So this is not a tooltip. Let's override it and let's put it to the right. Let's close this. Let's add a collider 3D parent tooltip. Oh, I need a tooltip reference and my collider. This is your collider. So let's do a trash can, which should be addressable and should be placed with the other tooltips. So we have the trash can here. I actually can do this way. Trash can, so I don't need to drag and drop it, which is a bit difficult. Trigger. Let's see. So easy, isn't it? So easy. I'm advancing so fast. Amazing. I'm advancing so fast. I'm advancing so fast. I'm going so fast. Oh. Awesome. Yup. 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 Awesome. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. I need to do this. Ah, it feels awesome. That feels awesome, man. Trash can tooltip. There we go. Maximum. Player card tooltip. So this one. Player hand quantity. Background. Number. or background. Background. Tooltip seed. There you go. You are not a tooltip, and I'm going to put you to the right. So you're an image. Parent tooltip seed. There we go. My image. There we go. Tooltip reference. Oh, I need to create a tooltip reference. Let me do that right now. So there. Player cards. Should I call it like this? Quantity. There we go. Uh-oh. I think I screwed it up. This is a crash. I think this is a crash. Is it really a crash? Or is it not? I think it is. I think it's a crash. I think it's a crash. I think I crashed it. Yes. Let's wait 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Should be. Man, I wish I could. Oh, just close the window. The window that is responding. But that's not possible. Let's go. Maximum player. Maximum play cards. Let's see. And player cards quantity. Hero cards quantity. There we go. That makes more sense. There we go. So why UI tooltips quantity. There, let's go. I want to edit with my rich text helper. There we go. Let's make it a little bit bigger. So this is play here, place cards quantity. Displays the quantity of cards the player has and its maximum. Amount that can be held. quantity of cards the player has, and the maximum amount that can displays the quantity of cards the player has, the maximum amount that can be held. Yes, makes sense. So player cards quantity, let's go back, let's make it an addressable. Let's change this to tooltips. Let's set this background. Oh, there we go. Didn't even save. You're not a tooltip. Right. Image. The parent is this, the image is that, and the reference is this one. Let's save. And let's try it. Let's see what happens. Okay, okay, okay. Not okay. What's the matter with this? Cards quantity controller, tooltips, raycast, numbers, raycast target. There we go. Okay. Raycast target. Okay. Background. Let's see. Numbers. Okay. Seems to work fine. You know what? I think you should be like this. Or black. Oh, wow. You look better black. Yeah, something like that. Right. 10, 10. Should I put you, I mean, make you go like this? No, this is awful. Like that. 10, 10, 10, 10. Let's leave it like that. It's a bit confusing, but it's okay. There. Let's do the cards card view, something like that. Card deck view. Oh no, where was it? Card type, tooltip. Okay, let's create it. Prefab. Let's do hero card quantity. And let's go here. Don't crash, please. Oh, you crashed. Great. You crashed. I don't understand why, but there we go. You crashed. I can't trust my own asset. I need to test it. So I had where was it? Card views. It was like view, right? View. This card view. Where are you? Cards deck card view. Okay, if you say so. There. That's the one I want. Let's see, you are normal. Background, so I wanna put you. Very good. Let's see. You're a tooltip seed? Of course. Yes, but you're not a tooltip. So this guy should appear to the bottom right. Let's close you. Let's make you an image. There. There. And did I add you a player? Nope. I guess I forgot to add you as a addressable UI tooltips. There we go. Addressable. Tooltips. Thank you. Now I have you here. Hero card quantity. Save you. Okay, I'm not going to fall in my own trap. Just gonna edit this. Wait, I'm gonna just gonna copy this, and I'm going to place it over here. The hero. Yes. Heroes cards quantity. Okay. Can be held. Can be held. Can be held. Can be held. Health. 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 So I like this color. Let's just copy it really quick. So please don't make this hard for me. Player hard 1, 2, 3. Background. There we go. You are in cards, right? You are in cards. You are in card deck view. You are like this. You are here, and I just copy paste you, and there we go. So the next thing I should do is test it. Let's go. There, so player's card quantity works very good. Let's put you there. Oh, hero cards quantity, perfect. Heroes cards quantity displays the quantity of cards the hero has and the maximum amount that can be held. Beautiful. Oh, I need to do this. Excuse me.
You win. Perfect.
Ah, yes. Perfect. Portrait. There, this I finished. Let's copy that here. Let's close this. Portrait tooltip. Okay. Let's do something interesting. Tooltip create. Let's do a hero portrait, and let's make you addressable, and let's put you on the tooltips, and let's edit you. So there, oops, not you. Hero portrait. Let's do displays the currently selected hero. Click it to open its inventory. His inventory. Hero portrait. Display the currently selected hero. Click it to open its inventory. Okay. So now we go to the hero's portrait that is hidden here. Let's show it. There he is. So we have a box collider. How is it possible? Okay, why do I have a box collider here? Anybody knows? Portrait button. Oh, okay. Fine. I'm gonna make this a 3D collider tooltip maker something. Bottom right? Yes, bottom right. Collider 3D. So you have this collider, you have this parent, and you have this portrait tooltip reference. Let's make you hidden once again, and let's test this. Hope I hope it works. Okay, let's close this. Oh, look at that. I can't see. There we go. So displays the currently selected hero. Click it to open its inventory. So this makes sense. Click it to open its inventory. Yes. And here, oh. Alright. Hero portrait. So this is obvious, isn't it? That's the health. The currently selected hero. So now I should display the equipment limits. Wait. I need to do this.
You win. Perfect. You win. Perfect.
Oh, yes. So here equipment tooltip, portrait tooltip. And we have the hero equipment limiter tooltip. Okay, let's do so I think we have the cards here, the card deck view, which is the same as the equipment. So imagine the player comes here and says, what is this? I do not understand though. I do not understand though. So this is a collider 2D. This is a sprite renderer. This is a deck layout. Oh, and this is a 3D. Okay, let's place it here. Wait a minute. How is it possible? How can I click this? Anyway. Let's make you into a tooltip. Let's make you bottom. You're not a tooltip. And let's make you into a 3D branch maker. Tooltip parent, my collider this, and I forgot to create the tooltip there, prefab variant. Let's do a hero, or let's say let's call it equipment view. Equipment view. And let's change it. Equip view. You can, or should I say, displays all the cards equipped by the selected creature. Equipment by the selected creature. Okay, let's put it there. was it? Contents. This here. There we go. So this is a... Okay, I forgot to set the equipment view as addressable. Right? Addressable? Something's wrong. Ah, tooltips. There we go. Let's go back to the card view. Let's select this equipment view. There we go. Let's try again. Okay. Let's see. Whoop. Equipment view displays all the cards equipped by the selected creature. Okay. Click it to open its inventory. Whoop. There he stays. Oh, look at this. It still is detecting. Well, I didn't realize that. Okay, let's add this. When closing the equipment, the view the card drop collider is still active. So I'm gonna start leaving these things for later. Okay, so all this. Okay, there. Okay, so all of these are really important. Hero equipment tooltip. So that's important. Okay, I'm gonna finish that one. Delimiter. First, let's make the tooltip. Create prefab equipment equipment limiters. There we go. So you're addressable and you should be on tooltips. And let's edit this. Equipment limits shows the maximum quantity of items of specific type that can be equipped. Okay, so that's not the best explanation, but I'm going to leave it for the moment. Cards. Let's do a canvas group. No, wait, canvas group. Oh no. I wish I could have this. Anyway, wait. What are you? You are a canvas something, canvas something something. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to create an invisible background. Invisible background. Invisibile. Invisibile. Invisible. Invisible background. So you're an image. There. And I'm going to set you like this. I'm going to make it transparent. I'm going to set you like this, please. Okay, let's make you 1 1. Let's make you like this. Can I do it? For some reason I cannot. Oh, now you know what the problem is? It's that layout element, and I say ignore layout. There we go. Now we are cooking. So this guy will be a tooltip seed. Tooltip. And I'm going to display you to the bottom right. You're not a tooltip. Let's make you a thing where you are a tooltip reference that says the weapon equipment limiter. Let's try. Let's do it. Let's do it. There. Okay, so this is the limiter. Equipment limiters. Shows the maximum quantity of items of a specific type that can be equipped. Okay. Okay. The heroes cars quantity. Okay. So now, great. Okay, the last one.
You win. Perfect.
Yes. Okay, so for now this is done. Very good. So what else do I have to do? I need to do, I don't know. Oh, card types, building, fusion, combo, effect. I have 3 types. Activation, modify effects. There I have these 2 types, effect, permanent effect, activation event, or maybe that's too much, fusion, items, what else, building, fusion, combo card types. Okay, let's. I need to explain what else to type. Oh, boss bar filler for buildings. Resource or resource. Resource. So that's resources. What else? What else? What else? Let me see. Okay, fusion, cooldown activation and effects, cards info, cooldown, activation, effects. What else? Combo. Oh, the resources. Spawns. Let's do the building. Building resources needed to build. Spawns each X. What else? Target, or the target of fusion, right? Yes. Target, fusion, combo, target. Okay, that's enough for now. Let's put you there. So tomorrow I'm gonna complete all of that. Okay. One last.
You win. Perfect.
Okay, that's enough for today. Thank you for coming and watching me work.